Important caution before we begin. Do not use images of celebrities, famous personalities, or anyone without their permission. Also, avoid uploading generated videos to social media if they use images you don't own the rights to. This tutorial is only for educational purposes. Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore something very interesting and fun. We will learn how to use Supawork AI to create free online kissing videos. The tool is called AI Kissing Video Generator, and it allows you to create animated kissing videos by simply uploading 2 images. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to create these kinds of videos just like the one you are seeing right now. Let's have a look at the video that was generated using Supawork AI. Pretty cool, right? Now let's dive in and see exactly how you can create this kind of video for yourself. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Supawork AI and press enter. From the search results, click on the official link to the Supawork AI website. Make sure you are clicking on the correct website because there may be ads or other links that look similar. Once you are on the homepage, you are ready to get started. On the top right-hand corner of the homepage, you will see the Log In button. Click on it. You will now see 2 options to log in. The first option is to log in with Google. The second option is to log in by entering your email and password. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up with your Google account. For this tutorial, I will click on Login with Google. This is the fastest and easiest way. One of the best things about Supawork AI is that even with a free account, you get rewards. Every day, Supawork AI gives you 60 silver coins for free. These coins are like credits that you can use to generate videos. This makes it really simple to try out the platform without spending any money. Once you are logged in, look at the menu options. Here, you will see a category called AI Kissing Video. Click on this menu option. Now, you will see different types of kissing video templates that you can choose from. Supawork AI provides a variety of styles and effects. This means you can experiment with different looks until you find the one you like. Now, it's time to upload the images. The first upload will be an image of a man. The second upload will be an image of a woman. Make sure the images are clear and front-facing. The better the images, the better the kissing video result will be. Click on the upload button and select the image of the man from your computer. Then upload the image of the woman. After both images are uploaded, you will see them appear in the preview window. Now comes the fun part. Supawork AI allows you to choose the type of kissing animation. There are 2 options: fans kissing and gentle kissing. If you want a more romantic and expressive animation, you can go with fans kissing. If you prefer a softer and more subtle animation, you can go with gentle kissing. For this tutorial, I will keep fans kissing selected. Next, we need to select the resolution of the video. Here you have 2 choices, fast or 720p. The fast option will generate the video more quickly, but with slightly lower quality. The 720p option will generate the video in higher quality, but it may take a little more time. For this example, I will keep fast selected. If you want a sharper and better looking result, you can select 720p. Once you have selected the kissing style and the resolution, it's time to create the video. Click on the Create button. Now, the system will start processing. This may take a few seconds or even a couple of minutes, depending on your settings and internet speed. Be patient while the video is being generated. When the video is ready, you will see a preview appear on your screen. Click the play button to watch it. Take a moment to look at the animation and the movements. It's fascinating to see how Supawork AI combines 2 still images and transforms them into a kissing animation. If you are satisfied with the result, you are ready for the next step. If you are not satisfied, you can always go back, adjust your prompt, or try a different style. If you like the video and want to keep it, click on the download button. The video will be saved onto your computer. From here, you can share it with your friends, upload it to social media, or use it for your creative projects. And that's it. You have successfully created an AI-generated kissing video using Supawork AI. Now, let's have a look at the video generated by Supawork AI. Pretty amazing, right? With just 2 images and a few clicks, you can generate a realistic and fun kissing video. Here are a few tips to get the best results. First, always use high-quality images. Second, make sure the faces are clearly visible. Third, experiment with both fans kissing and gentle kissing styles. And finally, try both fast and 720p resolutions to see which works best for you. The more you practice, the better your results will become. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Today, we learned how to create a kissing video using Supawork AI. We went step by step, from logging in, claiming daily coins, uploading images, selecting kissing styles, choosing resolution, generating the video, previewing it, and finally downloading it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future tutorials. Also, drop a comment below and let us know what you think about Supawork AI. Thank you for watching Vision Academy. See you in the next tutorial.